In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate printing a map in V-Aert with a specific imagery layer turned on, along with corresponding assets. A use case for this is when a user has turned on an imagery layer, for example, US winter weather alerts, along with a number of assets from one or more asset types. This would show the assets potentially impacted by these alerts, and the screenshot image can be shared to the appropriate team or persons to take action. Here in V-Aert, we have turned on the US Winter Weather Alerts imagery layer and showed a few asset types under the Utility Power Plants folder. We have also gone ahead and highlighted an area of this imagery layer on the map when filtering for assets. We can print this map view in a couple of ways. One is to select Tools in the lower left menu. Then select Print Map. Instead of printing, however, we're going to choose the option Save as PDF for the destination. This may look slightly different on a Windows machine. I am on a Mac. Click Save and choose a folder where to save this PDF. Now, you can email this file or upload it to a destination like Google Drive, for example, to share it. To bring up the same print dialog window, you can select File, Print from your browser's menu bar. You may also use the keyboard shortcut Control-P or Command-P on a Mac. This concludes the training on printing a map showing an imagery layer with assets in V-Aert.